Hello and welcome back to another Oliver's Adventures. Today we're back at Paultons Park to go on some their new rides. And last time I didn't go on Dragon, but I am today. Come on! Hello, and this is post Paultons Park me, and this is Flight of the Pterosaur in the Lost Kingdom area. This is a oh, so I describe, and this is what's called a suspended coaster. So your feet are dangling, and the track is above you. On the back, it is a lot more thrilling because you get pulled over that drop, which is my favourite bit. I also love the front, which I was lucky enough to sit in this time. But I also did get a back ride as well that time. Yeah, so it goes through here. The photo is right there. And then we go into the fastest part, or what feels like the fastest part. Go straight down into this, and then straight into the station. And people look really out of breath when it comes to it. Anyway, this is ending, so bye. Anyway, I'm back on Velociraptor. Velociraptor is very similar to another ride that isn't here. It's at Legoland Windsor. It's very similar to Minifigure Speedway, which goes up first and then around the track, and then goes through that track backwards as well. So, anyway, this is also in Lost Kingdom. You can actually see their new construction, which we'll be talking about in part 2. It's called Serpent's Curse. When we were back at that actual, it's the yellow one that you can't really see from here anymore. It is there. I promise you it's there. Anyway, yeah, so this is nearly ending, so I'm going to have to go again. Bye! Hi, I'm back again. This is on Storm Chaser, which is their family spinning coaster. Let me know if in the comments if you want me to add more technical stuff, like who made the roller coasters, because I know that, sadly. Anyway, yeah. So this is, I normally like this roller coaster makes me not feel sick, but it makes me almost not faint, like grey out, I guess. But I don't. But I managed to stay just. Yeah. So this is a spinning coaster as well. So that's probably why. And although it may look like it, you do not go upside down because it does kind of look like it at points, especially when you're going around near Buffalo Falls, which is the building with is a massive building which has another ride in. Well, not in, but it comes out of it. Anyway, this is over, so like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.